In this video, I will show you how to create a lazy daisy stitch. This stitch is often used in embroidery projects to create flower shapes and other small details. I will be using an embroidery needle and cotton stranded thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. Start by bringing your needle up in the point where you want the centre of your flower to be. Bring the needle back down the same hole, avoiding the knot below. Leaving a good sized loop and not pulling too tight. Come back up to the point at the end of the loop where you want your petal to end and bring the needle through. Don't pull too tight and anchor the point 1 millimeter away, securing your petal. That's your first petal. Continue until your flower is complete. And now you have your finished flower.